What's going on, guys? So before we pop this video off, as always, we got to announce the winner, and that is Eugene Collum. Congratulations, you now have a drizzle. So that'll probably get shipped out probably Monday, and I need you to email me your information. My email should be in the description below. Send that to us, we'll get it out to you. Appreciate everybody's comments, and let's go. But who said Temu guns was junk? Who said that? Who said that Temu didn't have anything good on? I'm amazed. Well, you guys know what time it is. Got something here. Who's that? Like a spider crawling on my camera. So we got something called the R500. Let's check it out. Alright, so got our normal plastic cup, lid, some instructions, high flow fitting. So this gun was off Temu. It says R500 top pistol, or I don't know, top something. Anyway, kind of reminds me of an Iwata, WA, like the 400 or something like that. 1.3 needle. Seems to be pretty decent. Got like a chrome plating on it. And it was like, I don't know, I want to say it was like 40 bucks. Does seem to have a pretty wide fan. So, you know what we're going to do with this? We're going to get into it. Alright, let's check the fan pattern on it. See where we're at. All the way open. Go in this a little bit. Kind of narrow, but it's wide. Kind of wet. No, it doesn't seem too bad, but we're going to find out. Let's see what happens. Alright. Alright, so we got some base coating here. Let's see what this thing does. Seems like it sprays pretty good. I like the fan. The fan is really wide, it's pretty smooth. Let's see what my adjustments are. About one turn in from wide open. So far it seems to spray really, really good. Got a couple spots here overdue. We got this, and then I got the back bumper. So we're gonna see how that turns out. I did switch over to a water-based wax and grease remover, so we're going to see how that does. But other than that, for the money, so far it's alright. I think it's going to spray clear phenomenal. That's what I think. We'll find out. Let's put a little leather coat on, see what happens. Yeah, that sprays pretty good. So far, I do like it. I like it a lot. Well, we'll wait for the third one. All right, let's get our third one on here. Alright, I'd say we're let that tack off, and we're going to spray some clear, find out what this bad boy can do. But so far, pretty good. Definitely pretty good. I turned down the fans in my booth, so that way it's not positive pressure right now. So hopefully that kind of keeps a little bit of dust from being stirred up. See how that works out as well. I mean, but so far I don't see any, I see a little speck. I don't see anything else in it, so hopefully it stays clean. That would be nice. But we'll be back. All right, time to get some clear put on. Really nice. Alright, we're going to put on our second coat of clear here. So far I'm impressed with this gun. We'll see what the final product looks like. Alright, so we let this flash a little bit. And as you can see, the crazy thing is I still got some small little fish eyes in there after changing. But I tell you what, that's a nice color too. That color is beautiful. Beautiful color. I love the pearl in it and the blue. But who said Temu guns was junk? Who said that? Who said that Temu didn't have anything good on? I'm amazed by that gun. That gun is awesome. I think we have a new king. Let's get up here and talk about it, because you know, I'm getting old sucks. I reached down to pick up the air hose 10 minutes ago, and something in my back was like, well, you ain't working tomorrow. So, I'm gonna have to take me a seat. Probably have to take a day off. Oh yeah, let's get this paint gun here. Check it out. All right, so I bought this gun on Temu, well, a couple other ones. So, I don't know, this is the box that it's in. It's just a spray gun, something, top pistol, it's kind of the name of it. But I tell you one thing, this is probably the best budget gun I've used to date. The pattern on it is great. You could spray metallics with it, which matter of fact, I have a truck that we'll be doing silver on. And depending on the other gun, I will probably spray it with this. This reminds me of my Iwata. The way it sprays. It sprays a little slow, but the atomization is good. The pattern is good. I mean, this is a very, very good gun. So if you've got, I think I'll have to put the link in this, I'll put the link down below where I got it at. I want to say it was under 50 bucks. So if you've got 50 bucks, I'd buy this gun over any other gun I've reviewed probably on the channel so far, and that's the honest truth. This thing's amazing. I mean, it's amazing. I think I was shooting maybe at like 22 pounds. I was shooting kind of low, but 24 would have probably been a little better, 25. But this thing's amazing. And the coating on, I don't know, I kind of left some stuff on here, so I'm gonna clean that off and see how it holds up. So far the coating doesn't seem too bad. I mean, it's kind of like a chrome finish, but it's not like a, I would say a Sata finish, but it's still pretty good. It cleans up pretty good. And then, you know, that's what the nozzle looks like. Your fan, and then your fluid and your air down at the bottom. But I'm telling you guys, that one right there is king. I mean, it's king. It beats everything I've sprayed so far. I mean, I could spray with this gun every day and not care. I would not care at all. This is a fantastic gun. I was kind of excited to spray with it because I seen they had a little video, you know, of like somebody spraying it, and I seen the fan size, and I was like, ooh. And I was kind of excited, and I'm glad because it's awesome gun. But anyway, guys, that's about all we got for the day. I need to go find somewhere to sit down or do whatever I got to do. Trying to think here. We'll probably Wednesday, I'll probably do a video, and that'll be the entry to the next gun. I have no idea exactly what it'll be. Something else I've been thinking about. All right, so you guys let me know in the comments what you think. So I was thinking the other day about doing start doing like live, and then we could do maybe like Q&As, or, you know, like try painting something and show, you know, if you got questions on this, or like primering or whatever, just stuff like that. Just kind of like little tutorials while we're live, so that way if you've got a question or something, we can go over it and try and, you know, help you out and get you going, whatever. But just throw your comments in below on what you think, if you made it this far in the video. If you didn't, hey, whatever, still appreciate you stopping by. We're out of here. Peace.